Today we're off to Wren Kitchens and we are gonna have a 3D design consultation with one of the designers there. So yeah, I thought I'd just bring you along with me because it's quite exciting. We haven't had planning permission yet, but we're pretty sure that the downstairs, you know, we'll be able to do that regardless of whether the upstairs gets approved or not. So we thought we would come and yeah, get a design consultation because we're not actually sure what we want, and I think we need to see it so that we understand, isn't it? Yes, we do. So that's what we're doing today, and I'll bring you along with me. So yeah, you can see all the different kitchen options and things like that. Okay, so I actually didn't get any footage of the actual kitchens in Wren Kitchen. If you would like me to go back and do that, I definitely will. But these were the designs that the lovely Georgia Wren did for us, and I absolutely love them, and honestly it was such a good service. But I did go back with some amendments and I'll get these up as well. We were curious to see what the timber looked like because this was coming in a lot cheaper than the quartz, and although I do like it, I need to show you the all black. Like, oh my god, this is by far my favourite. Like, I am sold. I'm thinking even like a black backsplash as well. This is stunning, and I don't know, it hit home with me, the all black, and we made the island even bigger, which I love. Okay, so today we're gonna go and view some B&Q kitchens, just because we had the price of Wren, and although that we do really like the one that we designed at Wren, it is expensive and we don't really want to take out 0% finance because then your monthly payments are just going to go up and up and up, and with energy prices and whatever, we might not be able to afford to do that. So just going to look at some maybe cheaper options. Is there any way we can kind of like make them cheaper and still look good? We don't know. So we're going to go to B&Q now. Just got our McDonald's coffee because, you know, we're on a budget. And yeah, and then we're going to go to Sigma 3 and see what it's saying there. So yeah, I will show you what they've got. Okay, so these are the B&Q kitchens. You could definitely feel that they were cheaper than the Wren kitchens. But honestly, I was actually quite impressed with them. I think the fact that there was laminate worktops on all of the displays kind of just made them feel a little bit more cheap, perhaps. But like, I think this navy one, it looks on trend, it looks nice. They have quite a lot of options at B&Q that you can choose. Like, I actually really loved this one. Like, I think if I lived on my own and I had a small flat, I would absolutely love that kitchen. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. And then this one here is very similar to the one at Wren with the sort of like trim. It's handleless. I've got to be honest, it's definitely didn't feel as good quality, but it had all the same sort of things. So I think if you were doing a renovation and planned on moving in 2 or 3 years, something like that would be ideal. But they did have options for quartz. They had lots of options for the different doors. Yeah, there was a good amount of choice there, I thought. And yeah, I did think that it looked visually appealing. And this one as well, you know, a lot of them, you know, on trend, modern. And then it was time to try Sigma 3. Okay, so first impressions on Sigma 3. Much smaller showroom than, say, Wren or B&Q. Well, they might have had about the same as B&Q, actually. But one thing that was very evident at the beginning was that the quality there was very high. Everything felt really nice. Everything was smooth. The appliances looked nice. Yeah, it was just, I would love to see some more kitchens there. But yeah, we took a brochure away. Lovely service from the moment we walked in. But yeah, we'll definitely be taking a serious look at them. Okay, so we've just been to the gym and now we're going to go and look at some Ikea kitchens. Just because we do really like the Wren kitchen, I think I said this last time, but we just want to look at like more budget friendly ones just in case we don't get the planning permission that we really want, which means that we'd have to move on in a few years. So I'm going to look at more budget friendly ones, and yeah, I'll bring you along with me. To be honest, I hope I kind of like them because I'd rather spend less money, but who knows. Okay, so Ikea was next, and I'm sure many of you have probably seen Ikea Kitchens before, but I would say, you know, some of the ones, like this one, for example, did feel quite cheap, and like the cabinets opened really easily, and obviously this one was mega budget, felt budget. Yeah, not for us. And then this one looked a bit more high-end, but again, I don't know, it just felt a little bit, the click to open was, oh, it was horrible. Really didn't enjoy that click to open. I don't know, yeah, I just wasn't feeling that one. Again, I quite like the colour scheme in this one, but that feeling of quality just wasn't quite there with these ones. But again, perfect for budget friendly. Now this one is kind of like most similar to what we'd go for. Don't want gloss, we want black matte, of course. But actually, looking at the price of the kitchen, this one was more expensive than the Wren one. And you actually have to pay for a design consultation at Ikea, which is not fun. No one wants to do that. But I like this little thing. We might get one of those for now, really. Next up was this very nice colour, but very basic again. Perfect for somebody who is looking to do their kitchen on a budget and still keep it in style. This one was nice, handleless, but I didn't like the gloss so much. Okay, and out of all of them, this is the one that we probably would most likely go for. Again, this has the black worktop with the black cabinets, which is similar to the one I really liked at Wren. They had nice little lights in the drawers, and as well, this kind of incorporated the two designs I had at Wren, which was the wood feel and the black worktops as well. I was feeling it. It was giving me a nice warm, homely vibe. This one was also quite similar, very bachelor, sort of very clean line. I don't really like the gloss. I can't help it. I had gloss in my old house and I just don't want to go gloss again, even though they are pretty good with the upkeep. It's quite easy to clean gloss. I really like this one as well. Nice, clean, white kitchen, but I can't help it. But I keep drawing myself back to black kitchens. And yeah, I really like this. This was just showing the different types of sinks and taps, but I really liked the black on black. Okay, so next we're coming to a local business called Artisan, I think that's how you pronounce it, but they're German kitchens. Yeah, we're just kind of like keeping all our options open, really. Let's go have a look. Okay, so the first thing we noticed when walking into this showroom was the exceptional quality on the units. Like when people say, if you spend more, you get more, it's definitely true with these kitchens. We found that the more you pay, the better they are. These were really stunning. They felt really smooth. Yeah, they were very high quality kitchens, but they came with a very high price tag. They had 3 different sort of levels. And like the cheapest level was even starting from something like 15,000. So yeah, they were expensive. If you were looking at forever home, family home, forever, that's what a forever home is, these would be the kitchens for you. They were, yeah, very, very bespoke, very customizable. The one that I loved started from £25,000. So I do think, yeah, they were way out of our budget. But I'm so glad that I went there to be able to see them because they were stunning and they were really, really good quality. It was really great to see the different types of hobs as well. I hadn't seen one like that before. So yeah, really interesting. This was just a photo in the showroom, but that's like my dream kitchen. And then we quickly peeped around the corner and we noticed that there was actually a kitchen that we hadn't seen yet, which hadn't been finished, but still it was good quality. So those were all of the kitchens that we went to go and see. We still need to go and see Howdens and Magnet and any others that you guys can recommend. So far, so good. Really do like this company, but yeah, way out of our budget, whereas Wren was good quality and in our budget, and we've had really good service from them so far, so kind of leaning towards them. But they're the only company that we've had a design service with. So yeah, stay tuned because we've got some more kitchens to review. Let me know in the comments which one is your favourite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.